Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm showing to you how we can to unlock a forgotten mobile screen password. Okay friends, now I have this mobile and password of this mobile forgotten from me because password of this mobile changed by another one. Now I want to unlock this password without losing my data because I have important data in my mobile. Okay, also I have social accounts in my mobile. These are very important for me. Okay, now I want to unlock my mobile, and now I don't want to lose my data. So how I can to unlock my mobile? Okay, let's start. First friends, connect your mobile with your computer by USB or wireless, no problem there. Okay, just connect your mobile with your computer, and now open your favorite browser and your computer, search for a password generator. Okay, after this just click on password generator. You will get next page. Okay, I will show to you and which link we need to click. Okay, which link we need to open. Okay, find this one, avast.com password generator, random password generator. Okay, just click on this link. After clicking on this link, you will get this page, and now scroll down and move this tip to left side. Okay, where number will equal to 7. Okay, 9 7. Okay, now this number equal to 7. After this just select the right option. Okay, and after selecting this option, now just click here 7 times. 1 okay, I will start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, after this after clicking 7 times this password, now just copy this password. Okay, and just click here by copy and close this, add this page, and minimize this page. Now okay, I will show my mobile screen to yours. Okay, now I want to insert this password in my mobile to unlock without losing data. Okay, I want to insert this password like M, after this J U. Okay, U by small letter. First I want to show to you. Okay, I want to show to you that I am inserting this password. Okay, not equal and not after this J. Okay, just I want to click and enter to unlock my mobile. Okay friends, successfully my mobile unlocked successfully. Okay, just I will check my data. Okay, I have all data in my mobile. Okay, I don't lose anything in my mobile, social accounts and everything like this. Friends, by this way you can to unlock your mobile screen forgotten password without losing your important data on your device. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit like button.